Hello everyone, I am Soumya and I welcome you all to my channel. From a long time I am thinking to start my channel, but I was very confused from where to start. But this lockdown and this pandemic makes us realize many things in our lives. We understand the importance of so many things, especially our health and fitness, which generally everyone ignores due to their hectic and unavoidable schedule. In this lockdown, like everyone, I and my family tried to keep our immunity strong with the very yummy drink, which is the secret recipe of my grandma. As today is the first video shoot for my channel, and I decided to give a tribute to my grandma by sharing her secret recipe with you all, which not only keeps me and my family healthy, but if you all try it, I am sure it will also change your lifestyle as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hey friends, I hope you all like my efforts. The basic fact in this recipe which I liked personally is the simplicity and the availability of the ingredients, which generally available in every houses. And I am sure if you all will give it a try, it will definitely benefit you all, not only to protect you and your loved ones in this pandemic, but also in every changing weather. Please tell me in the comment section that you like this recipe or not, and if you like it, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel.